Today is our birthday!
Yay!
Here comes the cake to make a wish. We want to fly on a cruise by airplane. Rumi got a golden ticket. Mira gets a fluffy one, and Zoey gets cardboard. Woohoo! It's so soft and fluffy.
Yay!
Time to work on a fluffy look for the doll. Here's our reference. I'll start with a yellow skirt. Folding a piece of plush fabric and stitching it by hand. Turning the skirt inside out. Now let's see how it fits. A hoodie won't work here. Decorating the skirt with pom-poms. I'll use them to make a fluffy chain too. Attaching it on the sides. Putting on a brand new fur coat on top. The boots need a makeover as well. I'll add a soft pink fur trim using scissors. Super duper! Time for a party hat.
Thank you!
Oh, wait, I have a surprise, but no peeking. Bring it in!
Mira is going to love this!
The doll enters her salon along a fluffy runway. I'll help. Okay, now she can look. The fluffy salon welcomes passengers on board.
Happy birthday! Congratulations!
Yippee!
Is this all for me?
Wow!
Mira absolutely loved the fluffy gifts.
Thank you!
Are you happy with everything?
Of course, Abby. Oh, this is the best birthday ever.
Please have a seat here.
Okay. Yay!
And here comes the festive treat. So tasty.
Delicious! Oh, I've got an idea! Look, now I'm a birthday star too!
Whoa, the finish line?
Yay!
Did I win? That's definitely first place. Now she needs to turn around. A little glue and voila! The cardboard top is ready.
Good.
I'm starting on the skirt now. Cutting out the piece with scissors. Again! Don't pout. I made such cute folds. A paper chain will complete the look. Actually looks cool. Can we make the outfit brighter? Of course, but first let's pick a color. I want blue. Like this. I'll add some yellow on the sides. Putting a party hat on her head. Decorating it with a paper pom-pom. Cutting fringe from a strip of paper. Taping it and wrapping the tip of the pin. Ta-da! Awesome! Where to next? Left or right? Let's run this way. Zoey heads to the cardboard lounge. Wow, it's so bright and fun in here. Okay, now I really like the cardboard style.
I'm your personal flight attendant. May I see your ticket? Something feels off.
Aha!
What do you mean? How about now?
Oh, wow!
That's right, it's you. Please, take your seat.
I thought the seat would be cardboard too.
Maybe this one will be more comfortable.
Thank you. Awesome! What about the girls? Oops, you okay? And here's the fabric for your look. Laying out the pattern and tracing with a marker. Cutting along the outline. Right on the line. Threading a needle and stitching by hand. Now we've got marvelous little shorts. Let's put on the jacket. Perfect. Gluing on gems. What else is in here? Aha, a golden collar. Looks great on Rumi. Adding lapels. putting on some stylish boots.
Thank you.
Where is everyone? Is nobody going to congratulate me? Well, at least there's a cake.
Ah! Don't touch the cake!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Rumi, it's you! Happy birthday!
Chinu, thank you. Oh, I'll help him get out. That will be easier.
Did you really think we forgot? Hey, everyone, come here!
Huntrix fans were hiding inside the cake. Rumi, we love you. That's so sweet. Everyone is here, except only Mira and Zoey are missing. Guess who? Here we are. Congratulations. Girls, I'm so happy. This is the best birthday ever. Time to start the celebration. And here are my Huntrix dolls. I call the golden one. Perfect, Rumi can board her yacht. I'm sailing on the fluffy one.
Yippee!
Bye-bye, girls. Where's mine?
Huh?
The cardboard yacht has already sailed away. What does that mean? There's a sign here. I don't get it. And how is this supposed to help me? I have to catch up with the yacht. No problem. I'm making a swimming accessory in cardboard style. I'm taking measurements from the doll. I transfer the measurements onto corrugated cardboard and cut it out with scissors. I glue the ring together with hot glue. Let's add more layers. Well then, shall we try it on? Yes! Oof, it's a bit heavy, but that's okay. Now let's turn our ring into a flamingo. I sketch the head. Oops, those are scissors. Let's use them properly. Cover the template with tape. Connect the two halves. Attach it to the front of the ring. Secure the pink wings on the sides. Zoey is thrilled with her float.
Thank you.
Ooh, look, there's the yacht. Right, I'm going for it. First, she needs to take off her shoes. Woo! Quick, let's swim. Zoey is kicking her legs with all her strength. Come on, just a little more. Ew, I'm tired. I need a break. What's that on the bottom? I feel something. Oh my gosh! Better speed up. Help, help! Yay, Zoey is almost there. I can't believe it, I did it! I have some cola to rest and cool down. That's much better. The golden yacht has passed Zoey. You can't be on deck without a swimsuit. I'll make one from a balloon. But how do I pop it? Right, a pin. Pop! Wow, there's Hubba Bubba inside. Yeah, this always happens. I unwind the gum and gather it into folds. A gorgeous ruffle is ready. Manicure time.
Hey.
What about me? Let's add some sparkle to Rumi, too. We put golden shorts on the doll. Secure the pink perio. Spell out Rumi's name on it. Braid a shiny feather into her hair. Rumi looks amazing. We did a great job.
Thanks.
What do you think of Rumi's look? Write it in the comments.
Wow.
It's so fancy here. The lounge chair is so soft. Rumi can settle in and relax. What's this?
Uh-huh.
First thing, we need to put on SPF. Will you help me? Of course. Take off the shoes and apply cream to the doll's legs. It needs to absorb really well. Someone ticklish? No, it's just a funny video. For the next craft, I'll need 3 pieces of chenille wire. Fasten them together and braid them. Trim off 2 ends. Remove the base. And attach a pom-pom to the 3rd one. Now it's time for decorations. Secure cute little clouds and heart-shaped rhinestones. A fluffy microphone for Mira is ready. I'll put it on the doll. Mira decided to sing for us. Oh, Abby!
Hi, this is for you.
Wow.
What a lovely smell. Abby sure knows how to surprise. Time to start the party. What's a party without Saja boys? Woohoo! So much fun! Write in the comments which style you liked the most. Hit like! And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye!